Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Maginfus Academy. So in this video, we are going to start a new video series on Microsoft Flow. We got an opportunity to work with Microsoft Flow recently in some of our project, and we thought of just sharing that knowledge with all of you. So in this video series, we are going to talk about what is Microsoft Flow, how we can utilize it, and then we're also going to see how to utilize Microsoft Flow in your job. So in this very first video of Microsoft Flow video series, we're going to talk about what is Microsoft Flow. I'm just going to give you a very brief introduction to what is Microsoft Flow, what we can use it for, how we can use it, and then what all connectors are available when you're using Microsoft Flow. So let's get started. So what is Microsoft Flow? You might have some idea about what is Microsoft Flow and what we can do with the help of Flow. Let's have a look at that. So Microsoft Flow is a cloud-based service that allows business users to create and automate tasks across multiple applications. Right? You might have used many applications from Microsoft, such as SharePoint, Vistock, Dynamics 365, etc., where we have a concept called workflows. So with the help of workflows, you can automate many of your tasks. Some of you have already used that. So now Microsoft Flows make that even more easier. Right? Microsoft allow you to just perform this kind of task and automate them in between or among different applications. So that makes it more interesting. So business users can set up flows without the help of developers. That is interesting. So even the workflows that I'm talking about can be set up without the help of developers, but some kind of technical knowledge is needed. But flows are even more simpler. So you can just set up just by going through the templates available in the Microsoft Flow portal, and we can get it started. It's very easy, right? So the power users can just set up Microsoft Flows very easily. So automated workflows are called flows. So now you understood something. So what can be automated with help of Microsoft Flow? Microsoft Flow automate everything from simple push notification to complex business processes with a defined set of steps and stages. Also, Microsoft Flow works with a wide range of applications such as Salesforce, Google Drive, OneDrive, Dynamics 365, SharePoint, and many more. So when you just learn about how many connectors are available for Microsoft Flow today, then you'll be really amazed. At the moment, there are 200 plus services are available, and we have connectors for each of the services. That make it very interesting. So we have connectors available for Salesforce, SQL Server, Twitter, Box, DocSign, Slack, Skype, Google Drive, and many more, right? And many more are coming up. So that makes it so interesting and so cool to use it with so many applications. So you have SharePoint here, and then you have Dynamics on that side. And if you just want to perform any kind of automated task or light integration, then Flow is the way to go ahead. But how to use flows? So once you have a Microsoft Flow account, that is quite easy. You can do either from Flow portal or from the mobile device. In both these places, you can just start to use it from. So once you have a Flow account created, you can also access from different Microsoft applications, such as Dynamics 365, SharePoint, etc. From that application also, you can start to use it, and you can just perform operations with other applications. And also we can have automated flows used with Power BI, Power Apps, Dynamics 365, Office 365, etc. And if I talk about flows, it is one of the application or a feature available in the Power Platform. So we'll be talking about Power Platform in another video. Now, some of the common uses of Microsoft Flow. These are just some of the features. There are a lot many things that you can do with Microsoft Flow. The most common use of Microsoft Flow is to send notification. If you have utilized workflows in your SharePoint or Dynamics 365 in the past, then you realize that sending notification is a pain. Sending notification to email is okay, but if I want to send notification to mobile devices, etc., it was not that easy. With the help of Microsoft Flow, you can send and receive notification very easy. You can sync file between different applications. For example, SharePoint and Twitter if I want to, or SharePoint and SQL Server, or SharePoint and Dynamics 365. So you can sync the files very easily. You can collect data. You can copy file from one application to another. For example, if I want to copy data from Excel sheet, to SharePoint, or from Google Drive to an Excel sheet. All this we can do very easily. Also, we can create records on a particular event. So here we are talking about some of the use cases of Microsoft Flow. One is to copy files. For example, when a new file is added to a Dropbox or OneDrive, we can set up a flow which can instantly post a copy of that file to SharePoint. That's interesting. Other one is Microsoft Flow to collect data. So we can just use Microsoft Flow and set up so that whenever new deals are added or being posted on an account, that can be copy of that can be created and then stored on a SQL Server database. We can do many more than that. Whenever a new post is created on a particular brand or a hashtag, we can add that to an Excel sheet or a database or something like that. So we can use that for mining later on. So how you get started with Microsoft Flow? It's quite easy. You have a lot of templates available. In fact, there are hundreds of templates are available. You don't need to create anything from scratch. In the beginning, you can start using any of this template, and then you can customize them slightly, and then you can make use of your requirements. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll be looking at how we can just create an account in Microsoft Flow and start play around with that. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and keep watching the next videos on this series. Thanks again.